Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Yogi phone model and Android version so you know which menu to use. Once done, back up the current wallpaper image to Gallery or Cloud so you can restore it if needed. Next, go to the home screen and long press an empty area, then tap Wallpaper or Wallpaper Settings. This takes you straight to the interface that controls home and lock screen backgrounds, so you can remove or replace the wallpaper without extra navigation. You now choose whether to change home, lock, or both. Pick the specific target before altering anything. Then select a default system image, a solid color, or use a remove or none option if the Yogi UI supports it. Choosing none clears the wallpaper. If you prefer, pick an image from Gallery and set it to a blank or plain image to mimic removal. Finally, tap Apply or Set Wallpaper and wait a moment for the interface to update across your screens. You finish by checking both home and lock screens to confirm the wallpaper is gone. If the old image persists, restart the phone to force the UI to refresh. Make sure to clear the launcher app cache or reset launcher settings if the wallpaper keeps returning, because cached thumbnails sometimes stick. If something goes wrong, restore the backed up image from Gallery or Cloud. And if problems continue, update system apps or perform a settings-only reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.